Uh, Good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Suleiman Lawan. Uh, I'm the facilitator for MTH 213 Calculus for Science. Uh, this is our first class, which is going to be about function, because function is the basis for calculus. We need to understand what a function is, and before, in our daily lives, we, we are all familiar with correspondence. As you know, for each individual, there correspond an annual income. For each item in the market, there correspond a price. To each day, there correspond a temperature. So this correspondence will lead us to the definition of function. A function is a correspondence between two sets or between two sets of elements, such that to each element in the first set, there correspond one and only one element in the second set. And the first set is called the domain, while the second set is called the codomain. Assume this is set A, the first set, this is set B, the second set. According to the definition, it's a correspondence between two sets, element of this set. And for each element in this set, in the first set, there correspond one and only one element in the second set. This is the definition of a function. If you have A, B, C, here you have X, Y, Z, no, X, Y. So for this, what will take this element to this is the function. So F is what will take this to this, the function. Take an element of here to this. So to this element, there correspond one and only one element in the second set. So you can see this can go to this, and this can go to this, and this can go to this. You can see this correspond to this correspond to this correspond to this. This is the definition of a function. This is a domain, and this is the range. And you cannot have something like this. A, B, X, Y, Z. You cannot have this to this and this to this. No, this is not a function, because you are saying this element corresponds to two elements. No, according to definition, is to every element here correspond to only one and only one element in this concept. That is the range. So one element here will not have two images. It's only one. But the images can be for more than one element here, as you can see here. C goes to Y and B goes to also Y. This is a clear. If you see this is not a function, but this is a function.